It's a debate that has set religious freedom on a collision course with women's rights. The latter argument neatly summed up in the slogan, "Keep the boardroom out of the bedroom." But this was also about the kind of contraception that some maintain constitutes a form of abortion.
Religious business owners are free to exercise their businesses according to their most deeply held religious convictions and cannot be forced by the federal government to compromise those dearly held principles and moral convictions.
At issue was so-called emergency contraception, the morning-after pill and the intrauterine device. A family-run arts and crafts business called Hobby Lobby, whose owners are evangelical Christians, objected to being forced to provide such treatment under the terms of the Affordable Care Act, which seeks to provide health care for all. They and another family-run firm took their objections to the Supreme Court, which backed them.
99% of women use birth control at some point in our lifetime, and the justices showed that they're out of touch when they support bosses who want to reach beyond the boardroom into our bedrooms. It's not what this country stands for.
The White House says it will work with Congress to ensure those directly affected by this decision enjoy the same range of coverage as other women in the workplace. A spokesman said the Supreme Court decision jeopardizes the health of the women involved.
The President believes that women should have the freedom to make their own decisions about their health care coverage, and that interference by their boss, for whatever reason, based on their religious views or just their scientific opinion, is inappropriate.
The Supreme Court decision could prompt other small firms as well as religious non-profit organisations such as Catholic hospitals to mount similar claims of their own. Whilst it hasn't dealt the Affordable Care Act a lethal blow, it will nonetheless provide the Republicans with further ammunition in their ongoing campaign to prove the controversial legislation is fundamentally flawed. David Willis, BBC News, Washington.